What is going on, everyone? It is Andrew here, and we've got the entire new lineup of Nomad leather cases for the iPhone 11 line. Now, there are three different ones we're checking out: the rugged Folio, the rugged case, and the brand new active rugged case, which is a new entrant into their lineup. Now, these cases are for the 6.5-inch iPhone 11 Pro Max, though they'll also work if you pick up the different sizes for the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro. We're going to start out by checking out the leather Folio. This has always been one of my favorites from them. There's a lot of nice detail work. I like the lighter contrasting stitching around the front, and of course you do have full leather coverage around the back. Camera cutout there keeps a little bit of distance between the cameras and whatever surface you're lying it on. But you also have the internals where there are 3 card pockets. The Nomad logo is stamped near the bottom, and you have additional space behind for storing things like cash, business cards, anything like that that you may want to bring along. Personally, I think 2 to 3 card slots is the ideal amount. I usually need one for an ID and then at least one credit card, if not my credit card and a work credit card. So it's nice to have 2 to 3 slots there. Along the seam here, you can kind of see it. These are now etched in here, which makes it a lot easier to fold forward and back. If you look at a lot of other leather Folio cases out there, they don't do that, and it makes it really difficult and stiff when opening and closing. So right out of the gate, right out of the box, this is very easy to open and close. It doesn't kind of just prop itself open the entire time. Moving on from the leather Folio, the rugged leather Folio rather, to check out the rugged case. So the rugged case is their standard snap-on shell case. This is probably their most popular one, just the most basic. It is very slim but offers some solid drop protection here. It still has the microfiber lining on that interior with a subtle Nomad logo towards the bottom. What's nice about that is the logo is kind of on the inside, so you don't have the outside marred up with stamped logos there. It's literally just this natural Horween leather, which looks actually very great, and the more you use it, the better it's going to look. Now, it compares favorably to the new active leather snap-on rugged case. So it's the same thing. It's actually leather here. You can kind of see the texture, but it's been treated. Now, this is a treated leather that will be water resistant. So if you take this outside a lot, you're getting it wet in any way, that can really mess up leather. It kind of bubbles, not bubbles, but it warps a little bit. It does not look as good as just normal patina. So with this case, you actually can get this wet without having to worry about the leather being ruined or destroyed or looking bad on the case, though it does not develop such a nice patina as the standard leather version does, so it's a trade-off depending on which one you go for, whether you go for the nice patina over time or the more active water-resistant one that still has a great feel. Regardless of your preference, we love all 3 of these new Nomad cases, and if you'd like to get any of these, you can find them at the link down below in the description, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know down below in the comments which one your favorite is, what your favorite case is for the iPhone 11, and if you want to let me know on Twitter, reach out at Andrew_OSU.